All right, Keith, so this is a big topic. Like, why do buyers not get approved, go and get approved for financing, and why you should make sure that you do? So what are a handful of reasons that, someone should get finance, call a realtor, get a referral, and you get a referral from the lender, because we know the good ones, we know the ones that are competent, they offer good rates, have great programs, on and on, right? And what would be the reason someone would want to do that in advance of looking at houses, in advance of making offers, in advance of showings, in advance of all these things? Why would they want to do that?
Because you want to be prepared. You want to be pre-qualified, you want to be pre-approved, not pre-qualified. Anybody can be pre-qualified. You want to be pre-approved to make sure that your paperwork is in, giving you the most value for coming up with most likely the biggest purchase of your life.
Yeah. And so what I'm hearing you say is, with your docs in, you can execute with speed because you have certainty. And see our other video with Austin where we talked about winning in competitive situations. But so you can execute with speed. There's no unknown issues, right? There's not a random thing on your credit that shouldn't be attached to you that you need to overcome. You know what your scores are, you know roughly what your payments are. You can figure out if you're within the ratios that are necessary, right? All of these different things on why you want to get pre-approved in advance. So that way, have you had any multiple offer situations your buyers have offered?
I've had multiple within the last month.
Yeah, so would you say that speed was one of the important parts of them being able to get that house?
Yes, definitely. And it's very important because you don't want to just start showing houses without being prepared.
Yeah.
You're kind of just putting the ball in front of the horse, trying to make sure, or the cart in front of the horse, there you go. Yeah. So, you're not prepared, not able to execute with speed because the housing market, it's up and down and crazy. You want to be the most prepared to give yourself the best opportunity to win.
Yeah, and basically every scenario you enter, speed and certainty is going to benefit you the most. So it could be a competitive offer situation where you're competing with others, right? Or it could be where you're one-on-one with the seller and you're trying to get a better deal. Right? And so both of those things are going to be critically important, that you have your financing and you understand it in advance. Your credit is clear of anything. You know what your payment's roughly going to be based on the area that you're looking and the price point you're looking at, so that when you do come across the property that you want to purchase, you can execute quickly.
There's many free resources out there that will let you know what your credit score is. That way you can come in prepared, knowing about where you're going to be at. Something that I tell my clients, get a nice folder, have all your documents in there, get your W-2s, your 1099s, all the important stuff that you have. So when you are ready to go, you have all that information. I also like telling, work with professionals like us. We have lenders that we are able to redirect you to, that we trust, that we work with every single day, that gives us an opportunity to give you the best price in the long run.
Yeah, check our other videos with Bruce with Onward. You'll get tons of education, an incredible amount of education. The guy's plethora of knowledge. So if you have any other questions about getting pre-approved or financing or anything having to do with really anything real estate, 1, check out our channel. We've got a lot of content there. 2, subscribe to it so you can see all of it. And 3, like this video and go ahead and reach out. Leave any comments or questions or just message us direct. Thank you.